Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into X account using login protection, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type the URL for the X account login page. Press the enter key to navigate to the page. Once the page loads, locate the login fields. Enter your username or email address in the first field. Next, input your password in the second field. Before clicking on the login button, look for the login protection option. This may be labeled two-factor authentication or login protection. If you have set up this feature, you will need your authentication method. This could be a code sent to your email or phone, or generated by an app. Check your email or phone for the authentication code. Once you have the code, return to the login page. Now, enter the authentication code in the designated field if prompted. If there is no prompt, click on the login button directly. Wait for the system to verify your credentials. Once verified, you will be redirected to your account dashboard. If you encounter any issues, double-check your username and password. Make sure you have access to your authentication method. If you're still having trouble, consider using the password recovery option. Follow the on-screen instructions to regain access to your account. After successfully logging in, take a moment to review your account settings. Ensure your security settings are properly configured for future logins. You are now logged into your X account with login protection enabled. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.